Welcome to the RLAARLO workshop. In this video we will teach you how to get started with the XTS-S10 from the ground up. We can see the XTS-S10 complete vehicle, the T-Rex remote controller and the different onboard accessories. First, pick the quick release button under the front bumper. Next, turn the knobs on the sides of the car body. Pull out the rear body clip. The body shell can now be removed. This is the battery compartment. Place the battery in the position shown in the video. Secure the battery tightly with the battery strap. The T-Rex remote controller supports AA batteries and 18650 batteries. We can install 4 AA batteries. Install them according to the positive and negative pole indicators. Alternatively, remove the battery compartment cover and install one 18650 battery according to the positive and negative pole indicators. After installing the battery, press the power button. If the cooling fan starts rotating, the battery is installed correctly. Turn on the remote controller first, then turn on the vehicle. Connect the light control cable plug. Install the body. Secure the entire vehicle onto a safe, elevated stand beforehand. Pull the remote controller trigger backwards with your index finger. The vehicle moves forward. Push the trigger forward. The first push is brake, and the second push is reverse. Rotate the steering wheel to control the left and right steering. These two ports are aux channels. Drivers can explore their functions independently. The left knob controls the throttle travel. The right knob adjusts the steering dual rate. The up and down buttons are for throttle trim. The left-right buttons are for steering trim. Trim adjustment ensures the vehicle can drive straight and sets the throttle into a neutral point. Single press cycles, daytime running lights, tail lights, low beam, high beam. Press one more to turn all the lights off. Do a double press quickly is a passing light. Quickly triple press turns the hazard lights on and off. Quickly press 4 times and this will deactivate the indicator lights altogether. The front and rear turning signals will flash 3 times to indicate whether the function has been turned on or off. Turning the steering wheel activates the left and right turn signals. When braking the vehicle, this activates the brake lights and the backfire lights. Press and hold the gyro button until the light turns on. Press and hold the gyro button again until the light turns off. The gyroscope sensitivity has been increased by 5 adjustable levels. Press and hold the gyro button and then press the power button to enter the gyro setting interface. Press the gyro button once to switch between levels. The settings take effect after you turn off and restart the remote controller. The channel reverse switches are used to set the normal or reverse direction of the channels by toggling the switch. The instruction manual included in the package can be consulted at any time. A set of mudguards is included. Please attach them to the corresponding positions using double-sided tape. RF is the right front wheel. LF is the left front wheel. RR is the right rear wheel. LR is the left rear wheel. The finished effect of the application is shown in the image. A voltage telemetry cable is included as a gift. Use a 2.5mm hex screwdriver to open the receiver box lid. Insert the voltage telemetry cable as shown in the diagram. Connect the red wire of the voltage telemetry cable to the red wire of the battery balance plug. Connect the black wire to the black one. This step is for detecting battery voltage. If the battery voltage is low, the remote controller will issue a low voltage warning alarm. If the car speed obviously decreases, the battery charge is insufficient and needs charging. As shown in the image, connect the battery balance plug to the charger port. Then connect the charger to the USB charging block. A pulsing green light indicates that charging is in progress. A full charge typically takes 3 to 4 hours. The indicator light turns solid green when fully charged. Please pay attention to electrical safety measures. The following items are included with the vehicle: a battery strap of 280mm, a hex screwdriver set, small cross wrench, differential spacer, a 24T motor pinion gear, a large battery compartment conversion kit, and sticker sheets. The finished sticker application is shown in the image. Users can apply the stickers according to their preference.